air conditioning, heating, fresh air, and hot water at a low cost. Advanced VRF technology, such as Mitsubishi Electric's R2 system, can provide all this. While doing so, we also recover heat energy and reuse it within the building. The space-saving R2 outdoor unit from the City Multi VRF range ensures an all-round pleasant climate throughout buildings. In the process, these units perform three functions. They cool, they heat, and they provide hot water. While doing so, they act as a heat pump. They remove heat energy from the outside air, even at sub-zero temperatures in winter. And that saves money the whole year round. These units also offer extensive scope for planning, assured by pipeline lengths of up to 950 meters. You can connect up to 50 indoor units of different types and capacity classes to the outdoor unit. This ensures each individual room is air-conditioned as required. For small rooms, we particularly recommend small unit sizes of 1.7 kilowatts and above, so that rooms are not overheated or cooled down too much. Our indoor units with whisper-quiet operation, a maximum of 19 decibels, and pleasant draft-free air discharge are particularly suited to hotels, ensuring that guests feel comfortable from the moment they arrive. A cooling protection system ensures unoccupied rooms are not cooled. The air conditioner unit is only activated when the hotel guest checks in. Units are monitored and controlled centrally, from the reception, for instance. When a hotel guest opens the room door using the card reader, in addition to the light and TV, the air conditioner is also switched on. Guests can set the room temperature and fan speed themselves using the remote control. If a window is opened, the air conditioner switches off automatically and on again when the window is closed. The heat energy discharged from rooms being cooled is conveyed within the building and used for heating. This not only saves on costs, but it is also environmentally friendly. What makes the R2 system exceptional is that surplus heat energy is conveyed within the building via 2 rather than 3 pipelines to rooms requiring heat. The core of each R2 system is the BC controller, an intelligent refrigerant distribution unit. It distributes the refrigerant according to the flow each indoor unit requires. For you, this means extremely simple space-saving installation and no leakages, guaranteed. Our new water modules also enable heat to be channeled into the water system. Mitsubishi Electric offers 2 modules for this purpose. One to provide hot and cold water between 5 and 45 degrees centigrade, and the other to provide processed water up to 70 degrees centigrade. The R2 system particularly pays off in summer. While hotel rooms are cooled, the surplus heat energy is used to heat water for showers. The R2 air conditioning system can also be combined with high-capacity Losnay ventilation units to supply the building with fresh air. Losnay units operate using a wafer-thin paper heat exchanger, which takes existing cold or heat energy and transfers it to the fresh air. This ensures energy savings of up to 70% and often requires smaller capacities of the air conditioning system. The innovative, beautifully shaped jet towel dries wet hands quickly, quietly, and hygienically. Our unique dual jet technology uses streamlined hyper nozzles to allow the skin to be dried quickly, gently, and pleasantly in warm air. 2 sensors automatically trigger the stop and start mode to ensure reliable, contactless operation. Mitsubishi Electric's year-round solutions are synonymous with optimum comfort and low operating costs. With over 85 years of experience and innovations, we have been committed to developing new products to create a comfortable climate wherever people work and live. True to our slogan, changes for the better.